Hey everyone, I was going to show you this remote control car set I have for O-Gauge. It's actually a train layout, and you can see right here it's got these little coils on here, and I have like polished this, which made it like not as nice. And then over here it's a little over polished to where you can kind of see the copper, but it still works. And if you can get a piece of paper on it flat enough, it will still work through the paper. I've tried it with just some black paper, and it works. But you can't just lay it on there because the wave of the paper will make it not get enough field. But anyway, it creates an electromagnetic field that pulls on these little magnets on the bottom, and basically, I got two dudes here. They're holding what appears to be a transmitter. So I got guy number A in the yellow shirt, guy number B. Just made those up. So we got two guys. They got remotes going to something, right? And then so these work the best. These original taxis. And these could be painted up to be something a little nicer, but they're all taxis for now. I did experiment with micro machines. If you look at their micro, nano, they're super tiny cars. This is a F40, and so I stole the parts from one of the taxis, and you can see a little bit of the yellow showing through. I don't know what happened to the front magnet if it's still in there, but I can see at least three. But this goes on here. Well, let's just go ahead and show you this working. So this one doesn't. Let's do the best one first. So these taxis work the best. So basically, I got it plugged into the wall. It plugs in right here, and you got the remote. And A is to start, and it goes tick 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 tick, very slow. And so you kind of hold A a bunch of times, and it starts going faster. And it just rides on that track, and it gets to that might be the maximum speed right there. So that's pretty cool. And so it just kind of rides on that, makes a little bit of noise, and I have these little cones here, these little O-Gauge cones, for little track things. We can pretend it got hit. You can put two cars on here. You can put a whole bunch of cars on here. You can pretend that they're racing and this guy's trying to catch up. But you'll have a couple cars here. I even have a bus, a racing bus. There you go. So those are them, and then here's the Micro Machine modified, and it works, kinda. It has kind of more of a stutter to it. It's picking up the field, losing the field, picking up the field. So they all have kind of a chug to them, which you can't really get rid of. And the second one always seems to be more jolty than the other ones. See? But then you can hit, what is it? B slows things down, I believe. Yes, B slows things down. C is reset. And then D is reverse. So you hit yes. So now they're going in reverse. So C to stop, D to reverse, A to go back. Not confusing at all. Would be nice if they were labeled instead of A, B, C, D. But A is go, and then A is accelerate. So you hold to accelerate. And then B is decelerate. I think B will decelerate to a stop. Yeah. So there you go. So fun little thing. Fun, it's just a thing. And then this right here is a scale. I took the guts from one of the. So this is supposed to look like a remote control car. And it's small. You got the motor, you got a red battery in there, you got the gold shocks, the gold springs in there. I think it's pretty accurate. You got the servo for the steering. I don't know where yes, the side motor. But yeah, this one doesn't actually work on the thing. It doesn't have any magnets, but you just put it on there like he's working on it or something. And then this could be the body for that chassis. So you could put that next to it. Maybe they're working on it. And then you got an extra guy here. And you get this nice little case. The case has a steel plate in there, and this just snaps right there. But yeah, just plugs into the wall, and it plugs in here. Neat little set. Show you these guys again. And they're just glued onto some clear acrylic. But I think these are the clear winners here. I like how they're small, and you could maybe paint them up to be a different color or something. At least not two yellows. Maybe a yellow and a red or something, or whatever. But yeah, there you go. RC cars would be nice for like a little in a parking lot somewhere. But pretty cool. Thanks for watching.